po good day. Balita na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo 3DS XL. Black variant po natin. So yung sa styles natin, sa likod po siya inserted. Now for your 3DS XL unit, we have installed here yung ating Twilight Menu application. This application would allow you to play all games like Nintendo DS. Meron na rin po kami mga Nintendo DS games installed for you. Pakita ko lang pala yung charging ng ating unit. So once you plug your charger just beside this blue light, magkakaroon po ng orange light. Ayan. So this indicates that our unit is charging, and then you'll notice yung battery icon will show running. Then aside from our Twilight menu, we also have yung ating H Shop. This application naman would allow you to download 3DS games directly online. Papakita ko lang yung buttons. So, nas-test na rin namin yung inyong unit. This is just for our video demo para mapakita po namin sa inyo. So, our LR button sa likod. Ayan. ABXY natin. Directional buttons. And yung ating analog. Plus our select start. All good. Now, of course, we have here yung ating mga 3DS games. You just need to open yung naka-gift wrap po. So, for your request, aside from your game request, we have installed a few others para ma-fully maximize po natin yung memory capacity. Actually, this has over 100 to around 150 plus games na naka-install na po. So, marami na po kayong mga games na pwedeng pagpilian. Besides your requested ones. Yan. So, open tayo ng isang game. Sa Pokemon game. So this order pala is going to Malolo City, Bulacan. Now I'll be sending a separate video demo and photos no other inclusions dito sa inyong package. That is for your PS4 Pro package din po that's included with our 3DS XL na unit. So okay na po yung inyong 3DS XL na order, including yung ating PS4 Pro. Bale, ipapack na lang din namin, dependent wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!